Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Killer. Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. Dancehall Skilla here again. You know, what I just saw a while ago, viewers and subscribers, is, you know, persons that are said to be hired by the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation to demolish the stalls, you know, some stalls that are on Bedford Street and Princess Street in Kingston, which is Jamaica's capital, you know, that parish, Kingston, that's of Jamaica, you see me? And of course, police officers is there, you know, as some form of protection while something like this is being done. Now, viewers and subscribers, you know, whenever something like this happens, you know, one of the things that persons might say is, yo, when you get rid of the people them stall and you take off the people them little business where they might try, you know what I mean? How the people them to survive. To be honest, I tell you the truth, viewers and subscribers, I respect each and every one where do them honest, you know, vending, because those are vendors style, they're honest vending to survive. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And at the same time, but I want to see law and order in the streets. So, I don't know. It's just hard, you know, because believe me, I can't look at a person when I say I try to make an honest living like this and try to turn them down. And at the same time, you don't like to see law and order. So, I don't know. But, I tell you, donkey said the world on a level. That's what the saying go. Basically, something like that means that life is unfair. You see me? Let me know what you think, you viewers and subscribers. Until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.